Hi, so I was looking to get some help with my software.
Yeah, just a second, just closing my 46 Stack Overflow tabs. Yeah, I Google stuff and I hope it works usually.
That's all you do?
That's the job, yeah. Been basically debugging for like the last 6 hours, and like always, somebody forgot a semicolon.
6 hours?
Yeah, it was very sneaky. I copied the code from Stack Overflow and used Cursor to help me, so you never know what you get.
So you don't even write your own code?
No. We got a AI to do that and Stack Overflow and Cursor, ChatGPT. I just use those and copy that and basically call myself, an efficient coder.
Do you even understand what you're building?
Well, if it compiles and there's no bugs and it ships into production, understanding is for senior engineers only.
So doesn't that cause problems?
Well, we have, a comment in our production where it says, don't touch this or everything breaks. That's been there for, like 4 years now, but nobody knows why.
Why not just fix it?
Well, last time, somebody tried to fix it and then the app crashed basically, and we lost over 50K in revenue. So we just don't talk about that anymore.
Okay, and what do you do then all day?
Well, mostly just meetings and daily stand-ups, sprint planning, retro, and refinement. I code maybe for like 2 hours. Yeah. And the rest is just pretending to understand what the PMs want.
Only 2 hours of coding.
Yeah, that's normal.
So how do you usually estimate timelines?
Well, managers, ask me how long is it going to take, and I say usually like 2-3 days, but then it takes like 3 weeks.
Why?
Dependency hell, a lot of merge conflicts, random bugs, and some intern last week pushed to main and basically nuked the production.
Do you even like to code?
When it works, on the first try, that's awesome. And I feel like, I'm a god, basically a 10x engineer. But when it doesn't, I cry. So.
And how often does it work on the first try?
Yeah, once in 2019. Yeah, that was a wild ride right there. Oh shit, production is down.
What happened?
No idea. Was fine 10 minutes ago. Let me just check Google and Stack Overflow real quick.
Okay, can you fix it?
Here. Found something on Stack Overflow, post from 2016. Says, just restart the server. Okay, let me try that. It worked. Okay, nice.
That's it?
Yeah, 90% of engineering is just, restarting, turning it off, turning it on again. We just charge, like 200K per year to do that.
This seems like a lot of chaos.
Well, welcome to tech. Nothing makes sense. The documentation are lies. And we're just all Googling and going on, forums to find the answers.
So why do you even do this job?
Yeah, the money's good, and TC is about 300K. So I can tolerate, a lot of pain for that.
TC? What is that?
Total compensation, base salary, stock options, bonuses, and also, some free snacks.
That's the only reason you stay?
That and spite, my code from last month is so bad that, only I can maintain it. And that's what I like to call job security, baby.